So when I tell you a 20-year-old influencer, what is the image that comes to mind? Well, clearly not this. But Janhvi now, who's recently been awarded the Fashion Icon in the Heritage category Influencer Award by the Prime Minister himself, is clearly started a trend of her own. Okay, Janhvi, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
You've come dressed in this beautiful sari. All your content is about different kinds of saris, and that is what has got you praise from the Prime Minister as well.
Right.
So we thought we'll do a quick sari pop quiz with you. Are you ready?
Yeah, done.
So you have to give me a sari for different occasions and moods.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
We'll start with an easy one. If I'm in a happy mood, what sari should I wear?
Personally, I think you should wear a Paithani sari. It's very vibrant, colorful, and it makes you instantly very happy.
Nice. If I'm really tired after a long day, but I want to wow, then
Okay.
what sari should I wear?
It should be a silk sari.